welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, the Empress Gwaan. And so this morning I decided that I wanted to do a video for my girls, for my naturalistas out there who are finding it hard to find hairstyles to go to work in the morning. So I decided that I wanted to show like real time how to get ready in the morning for work, especially if you're a naturalista. And of course, there's no makeup. This is just a natural skincare routine that I've been, trying. You gotta work on your skin, right? So if you want to see what I did, you can head over onto my Instagram at the Empress. All right. So an Empress with 2 Z and the with an A. So THAEMPREZZ. Same thing as the handle for my YouTube. And speaking of YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Hello. Don't forget to share me, right? All right. So, and comment if you like this hairstyle. Comment if you tried it in the morning and it worked out for you. Let me know in the comment section below, right? So, without further ado, let's get into the video and yeah, let's get into the video. Hi girlies, I'm back with another natural hair video. So today I am just going to show you how I did a little flat twist in the front mixed with some cornrows. I have been seeing this trend going on for a little while now, and I was like, oh, let me just try it in my hair. Anyhow, so I had my hair stretched already with some twists. Well, not really twists, but bantu knots, and now I unraveled them and I'm about to show you this style. I'm just parting it in the different sections like a triangle at the front, just to give it a little shape, little design, something, a little something, yeah, a little something. But whatever way you choose to part it, that's up to you. But I'm giving it like a little slant look at the front and follow all the way through. I like to put my little oil concoction on the root because sometimes my scalp gets a little itchy and I'm trying to avoid that. Plus I'm trying to like moisturize my hair while I'm doing this style. Why don't I? It doesn't hurt, does it? But I realize that when I use the oil, sometimes it can make the shine and jam gets a little cloudy. But the quick fix to rectifying that is wipe it off and it comes all the way off. Or when you tie your head with your wrap, it goes away. So never fear, don't be afraid to use oils in your hair. It won't affect your hairstyle at all. So I'm just braiding my hair back in the slantish position that I parted it in, right? And follow all the way through.
Lighting up the stage, just have a mosh pit. Cinderella, baby, drop the ball with it. Some of my dogs, yeah, they dogs with it. I be coolin', I be robbing. Baby, yeah, you dealing with a boss. Did you know you dealing with a star? I just put the handy on the rocks. I'ma put the icing on the watch. Yeah. I'm a playboy, I need a cardi. If you wanna play, you sorry. She say that she wanna get to know me. Play all my tracks and that she want me. Ballin' my name, the gas like octane. Shit, I'm about to evolve. Cap is your game, shoot but don't end. You know that I'm a big dog. You ain't really want to smoke with me, so let me know if you do. She wanna involve with me, just all the way that I move. Yeah, she love the way that we move, so she wanna be in my crew. Love the way that we do, baby. Love the way that we move. Love the way that you do, baby. Wanna be in my crew. Love the way that you do, baby. I love the way that you move. If you bang, we put a whole hand in it like a Pringles can. I'm smoking that's the color Peter Pan. I know she from Philly, she an Eagles fan. She a thick thigh, little mama thick right. She a good girl, but she looking bad tonight. She a hood girl, got me on the back of mine. She wanna smoke the front, so I put the bag without. You know I be moving around. I know we the talk of the town. Hold another bottle around. Hold another pound of the south.
For this part, I'm just going to use my Shannon Jam and put it on the root of my hair and brush it in with my fingers so that whenever I do the flat twist, it will just stay in place, right? So just putting it right there, and then I'm going to twist it as tight as I can. Don't worry, it won't leave your head feeling tender. It will just be staying in place. So the more I twist is the more I hold the other side with my other hand so that it stays in place. And then I use a rubber band to seal it. And I twist the ends only because I already plait the ends for the cornrows so that when I put my hair in the bun, everything will come together. Okay? I'm just going to do the other side.
She love the way that we move, so she wanna be in my crew. Love the way that you do, love the way that you move.
So I'm just brushing my hair in place with a little bit of the Shannon Jam at the end. So you can leave your hair in a top knot with just your natural hair if you have enough natural hair or if you want to do so as a preference. But I have a piece of hair that is kinky straight that mimics my natural hair, kinda. And I'm just brushing it out. I've used this in previous videos. I'm just putting that on my little top knot right there. I don't use hairpins to seal it. I just use a piece of the end and wrap it around and seal it at the end of wrapping so that it doesn't unravel. Okay, I only use hairpins to keep the top knot in place. If you haven't been following me already, do so now. You don't want to hang out with me? Like, you don't want to be friends? Why not? Or why wouldn't you want to be my friend? And if you do want to be my friend, because I want to be your friend too, you can follow me at Thaemprezz on all the handles shown above. And yeah, hit me up. We'll talk.
Lighting up the stage, just have a mosh pit. Cinderella, baby, drop the ball with it. Some of my dogs, yeah, they dogs with it. I be coolin', I be robbing. Baby, yeah, you dealing with a boss. Did you know you dealing with a star? I just put the handy on the rocks. I'ma put the icing on the watch. Yeah. I'm a playboy, I need a cardi. If you wanna play, you sorry. She said that she wanna get to know me. Play all my tracks and that she want me. Ballin' my name, the gas like octane. Shit, I'm about to evolve. Cap is your game, shoot but don't end. You know that I'm a big dog. You ain't really want to smoke with me, so let me know if you do. She wanna involve with me, just all the way that I move.
So, what do you think? Let me know what you thought about this whole hairstyle situation. Let me know. Comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. You know, I love you a long time. Yeah.
If you bang, we put a whole hand in it like a Pringles can. I'm smoking that gas, the color Peter Pan. I know she from Philly, she an Eagles fan.